Oh, hello there. I was just doing a little bit of reading. Just kidding. It's a humidor. Let's get into it.
This is the good. This is the good.
So this is one of the newest offerings for the fine folks over at GlenCreag, and I have a little bit of experience with GlenCreag back in the day. I took a look at one of their smaller cabinet humidors. I really enjoyed it. I use it to this day. It looks beautiful in my front room. They reached out to me, asked if I would like to take a look at a couple of their products. They sent this to me for free, so let me get that disclosed right out of the way. They offered me a discount code, commission. I said no, but I'll take a look at it. So if you guys want to take a look at this, let them know Pick Jimmy sent you if you like it. I think it's really cool. It's a very interesting idea. It's a book. It looks like a book anyway. It's a humidor that looks like a book. There's actually two versions of this. This is the 10 count. There's a much larger one as well. Let's get into the products and features of this humidor right now. So it's a cool humidor overall, beautiful design. You're looking at some B-roll I shot of it yesterday. It's absolutely fantastic. The build quality is very nice. It's not soft, it's not plasticky, it's not cheap, it's very durable feeling, it's very heavy feeling without anything in it right now. It holds up to 10 sticks, that's what they recommend. This is a 10 count. However, if you do not use the little spongy tool that they provide with the humidor and instead use a Boveda pack or some other type of humidification packet, I got 12 sticks in here. Not jammed, not stressed. You know, obviously it's going to depend on what size of sticks you're putting in there. For example, the flathead 770 is too long for this humidor. However, it's really fantastic. It's quite frankly the most creative and beautiful humidor I have ever been sent, I have ever owned. I am very happy with it. I'm going to proudly put it on a table and make people think it's a book and laugh when they try and pick it up to read it. Now, a lot of people like myself, beautiful humidor is great, but if the seal is terrible, it's a useless box, at least for sticks. You know what I mean? You might use it for something else. But I'll tell you right now, the seal on this bad boy is unmatched. I did the dollar test. You could take this book on a walk. Okay, you could drag it back behind you like a little kid with a security blanket. The seal on this thing is so dang tight. I love the fact that they committed to detail, and it doesn't just look like a print of a book on the side. It's ribbed for her pleasure and mine. I really enjoy this thing. My criticism, because I do have one, this is the 10 count. You see this? It's big. There is a larger version of this. The larger count version of this holds 80. So it's either going to be really deep or it's going to be bigger. And it is more of a square shape. So keep that in mind. Is it going to keep looking like a book? It's going to look like a very big coffee table book, the larger size. They didn't send me the larger one, which I didn't ask for. I like this one. I was actually going to ask for it. I think the artwork on this is beautiful. It screams Little Havana, and I dig it so much, man. This thing is cool. I like it a lot. I've only had it for a couple of days. It's held humidity well while I was testing it. There's no reason humidity would leak. Once it's sealed, it's sealed. You know what I mean? There's a lot of companies that reach out to people like myself in this industry, and a lot of the products are meh. They're cheap. They look cheap. They feel cheap. They are cheap. And they're like, we'll give this to you. And oftentimes I'm like, no, I don't want it. It's not good. When GlenCreag reaches out, I always take a look because this thing is beautiful. And look at it. Just look at it. Anyway, that's my biggest flaw with this thing is it's big. This is a Bible. This is a Bible right here. This is a Bible, a big old Bible. So the bigger one is going to be even bigger. That's my biggest complaint. But at the same time, what are you going to do? It's supposed to... If you made it thinner, it'd hold 5. Honestly, if they made a thinner one, what a cool travel humidor. If there was a 5 count of this, that'd be a fun travel humidor. Anyway, I think it's great. It's Spanish cedar lined. It's all the bullshit that you'd want to say from a different humidor. It's got this, it's got that. It smells like wood inside. It's wonderful. Anyway, this thing is absolutely dope. It's so cool. I love it so much, man. If you want to see more reviews of GlenCreag products, comment in the section down below so I know to reach out. If y'all don't like this style of video, you want me to review cigar products, then I won't do it anymore. Because if y'all don't want to see it, who cares? But this thing is super duper cool. That's it. I got my biggest negative is big. She ain't gonna say that. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm the villain they mimic, but never can finish. I'm limitless, intricate, every percentage is venomous. Timid, I'm militant, grinning, belligerent, killing it quick with a flick of the wrist. I'm magnificent. Better than all of them, call it benevolence. No, it's malevolent, settling scores with irrelevance. Cocky as fucking, I love it. I'm shoving it down in they throat like a punishment. Running and gunning and stunning with thunderous arrogance. I'm the one they can't measure. Pressure turns lesser. Men brittle.